Hi there. Do you struggle with feeling that you're not enough? Whether you're not smart enough, you're not pretty enough, you're not tall enough, all the ways we don't feel enough. And then we project that into the world and we keep getting experiences that reinforce our feelings of not being enough. Hello, my name is Pam Wright. I'm a stress specialist and a happiness facilitator. I help people to stress less, smile more, and to get their happy back. If this is your first time to the channel, I create weekly videos to help people to thrive in life and to discover the possibilities. So if you haven't been here before and you like what you see, you may want to subscribe, hit the notification. That helps other people to find the videos as well. In this video tutorial today, we're going to be looking at feeling that I am not enough. All the ways that you believe that you're not enough. It could be that you were rejected, that you were always criticized, that you just felt that you weren't enough, whether it was comparing yourself to someone else. Whatever it is, in this video tutorial today, we are going to be releasing all them unresolved emotions, all the feelings, all the physical sensations that confirm to us that we're not enough, so that we can then accept who we are and know that we are enough. So let's get started. So first thing we have to do is we have to get in touch with how we know we're not enough. How do you know you're not enough? Is it a physical sensation? Is it a memory? Something that you were told that you were not enough? Some criticism? Was it a time when you were rejected? And you get a pen and paper and you write down as many things as you possibly can that remind you you're not enough. And it's really important when you're doing these tap along videos that you allow enough time so that you can really focus and pay attention to what's coming up, and whatever comes up, that you have the time to use the tapping to clear it out. Really important. All right, so go inside. Notice how you know you're not enough. All the feelings, the physical sensation, the memories. And if you're not quite there yet, just pause the video and write it down and then switch it back on. All right, you got it? Notice all the ways. And then we tap. You tap where I tap and you say what I say. So you already know how it upsets you, it bothers you, you're not enough. And then we tap. And we release and let go. All the sadness, all the fear, all the emotional trauma. Releasing and letting go. All the angers, all the resentments, all the guilts. Releasing and letting go. All the judgment, all the abandonment, all the betrayal. Releasing and letting go. The rejection, the helplessness, the hopelessness. All feelings of no control. There's nothing I can do. Releasing and letting go. That powerless feeling. I'm letting it go. Then you grab the wrist. Long breath in. And peace. Excellent. Okay, go back again. I am not enough. Notice how you know that to be true. Releasing and letting go. All the ways I know I'm not enough. I'm not smart enough. I'm not pretty enough. I'm not tall enough. They always choose someone else. Releasing and letting go. All the ways I am not enough. Releasing and letting go. The sirens are sounding. It is time to get rid of this. Releasing and letting go. Releasing and letting go. Grab the wrist. And peace. Find that peace. Go back again. There could be a certain situation where this really comes up for you. And if it is, you put yourself in that situation. Notice how you're comparing yourself with someone else or whatever it is. That physical sensation right there. I'm not enough. Releasing and letting go all the ways I know I'm not enough. Releasing and letting go. All the images fading away, all the sounds drifting off. I just feel I'm not enough. Releasing and letting go. Grab the wrist. And peace. Excellent. Let's go back again. So you check back in. You go back. You check inside. I am not enough. Is that still true? Do you still have memories? Do you still have words that people have said to you? They may have criticized you. They may have put you down. Who do you think you are? Whatever it is, I'm letting it go. Releasing and letting go all the words, all the syllables, all the sounds. Releasing and letting go. All the ways I believe I'm not enough. I'm letting it go. Releasing and letting go. All the feelings, all the physical sensations, all the images, all the sounds. All the ways this still upsets me. I'm not enough. I'll never be enough. You might not have been the favourite sibling. You may have had a boyfriend or girlfriend reject you. They may have cheated on you and you took that to mean that you were not enough. Whatever it is, bring it up, feel it, and then let it go. Grab the wrist. Peace. Okay, go back again. So you check back in. You say the words, I am not enough. You notice anything that happens inside. Whether it resonates to be true, whether images come forward. This is why you're not enough. Releasing and letting go. All the ways I believe I'm not enough. All the rejection. The unacceptable. The unlovable. Releasing and letting go. Releasing and letting go. All the ways this still upsets me. It still bothers me. I'm letting it go. Grab the wrist. And peace. Feeling that peace. I'm not pretty enough. I'm not handsome enough. I'm not sexy enough. I'm not strong enough. I'm not smart enough. I'm not tall enough. Releasing and letting go. I'm not together enough. I haven't got my life together enough. It's not the way I want it to be. Releasing and letting go. Releasing and letting go. All the ways I know I am not enough. I will never be enough. There's always someone to compare myself with that's smarter, prettier, taller, thinner, whatever it is. Releasing and letting go. All the ways I'm letting it go. Grab the wrist. finding that peace. Really find that peace in your body. Let's go back again. I am not enough. Is that still true? Notice how it's still true. I just know I'm not enough. I need to be more educated. I need to be prettier. I need to be thinner. I'm unlovable. I'm unacceptable the way I am. I am not enough. Releasing and letting go. And you might have a whole list in front of you. Just say it out. Whatever's on your list. You just say it out while you're tapping and let it go. It's safe to let it go now. I'm okay to let this go. What if I am enough? What if this is just a belief that at some point in my life I created as a way of keeping me safe, as a way of driving me to be enough? But what if I'm already enough? What if the mere fact that I was born means that I am enough? I've always been enough. And there was just some events that happened in my life that made me feel that I wasn't enough. What if I could believe that I was enough? What if I could feel that I was enough? And the fact that I'm sitting here tapping along to this video means that I am ready to be enough. To know that I am enough. I was always enough. Releasing and letting go. Releasing and letting go. Grab the wrist. And peace. Now remember, if it's the first time to the channel, subscribe so that you get the updates when I release new videos. Every week I put out a new video. And hit the notification so that you get notified when they're being released. Excellent. Let's go back again. Notice all the ways. Imagine now, if you're not at I'm enough now, listen through until you get to this point. When you get to this point, you're feeling, yeah, you know what? What if I am enough? Then you keep moving forward. Otherwise, go back. Okay. I want you now to believe that you are enough. What would be possible if you could truly believe that you are enough? That you're smart enough, that you're pretty enough, that you're tall enough, you're uniquely you. You're exactly how you are meant to be. Whatever it is, you are enough. You've always been enough. We're meant to be different, uniquely different. That's the way it is. You are enough. So now it's I am enough. I am enough. Notice how true that resonates for you. I am enough. You may find some resistance to this being true yet. That's what the tapping's about. The tapping's going to clear the resistance. I am enough. I am lovable. I am acceptable. Just the way I am. And it's time for me to love me. Just the way I am. Knowing that I am enough. I am enough. Grab the wrist. And peace.